Okay, hello guys and welcome to another Python tutorial. Well, I'm sorry for the long time no see thing, but I had something to do. Uh, Now I'm finished. I have. I'm not. I'm not gonna. I'm not trying to get ahead of myself here, but I have some pretty good tutorials for you. So make sure you stick around. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and do subscribe, and don't forget the little bell button there to get notified each time I upload any videos. So today we're gonna talk about hashing. Uh, Hashing was very popular in, I don't know, maybe 10 years or something, but when they found out that it's not pretty good for security, they just sort of whole dumped the whole thing, because it was one time it was uh, the hashes was a big thing in the security environment once upon a time. Not these days anyway. So I thought, why not do a video about hashing and cracking hashes, just sort of just to let you know uh, how easy hashes can be cracked, and they are most definitely not trusted in anything valuable for you, like, I don't know, maybe Facebook, Gmail, something. Okay, so let's get started. So I have Python 3, as you all know. So how to get a hash for word or a number or something. So to get a hash for that, there's actually an embedded Python library with hashes. So we're just gonna import hash lib. So now the hash is equal, yeah, something to hash, okay, is equal to an input from the user. So whoa, little typo, please enter a word to hash. A little new line there. Wait, and something just to make it easier for them to that we are in the new line. So now hash is equal to, guess what, we're gonna call the hash library dot md5, which is one of the mechanisms of the hashing. MD5, by the way, is, for me, I think it's the easy one to crack. So now we're gonna give it the word that we're trying to hash, or the string that we are trying to hash. So uh, let me give you some difference between the Python 2 and Python 3 versions. So if we are in the Python 2 version, it's fine. This script is really fine. It doesn't need to change anything. Maybe in here, maybe we do some raw underscore input or something, but we don't need it for now, because we are on the Python 3. So the main difference between the 2 and the 3 is this one, dot encode, because you need to encode the word. So same thing happens when you're receiving data or sending data. It's the same thing. You need to encode it if you are in the Python 3 version, if you are in the Python 2 version. If you encode it, you might get some error. So moving on, let's print out our oh yeah, print lowercase. Okay, now the hash is, now since I don't know that the hash is either a string or a number or something, I don't use the plus, I use the comma, guys. So now we're printing the hashed. If I leave it like this one, it will print the function of the MD5. So now I will use hex digest. So it will print for me the actual let me just get a space. Okay, the actual hash. Sorry for that. Now please enter a word to hash. So let's hash the name of our channel, Ghost G1, and there's the hash. So let's save some hashes for the decoding hashes maybe later. So let's say Ghost G1 gave us this one, and let's try for the G1, and let's try for the hello plus space and hello without any space. So let's copy it, let's rerun the program, and the G1, this is the hash for the G1, and let's run the program again. Let's use the hello, but we add a space. So many of you don't think that the space will make a difference, but place your bets down there. Okay, let's see. This one gave me this hash, but let's try it without any hash, and let's rerun the program, and boom, this one is a hello without any hashes. So let's see if there's any difference. Let's get some spaces in here, and most definitely it makes every difference there. So spaces do count in the hashing world. So I guess for not making this tutorial or this video long enough, I'll have to end it this at this notice, and in the next tutorial I'll upload the decoding hashes or cracking hashes, and we will try to crack these hashes, these 4 hashes that we did, and we're trying to give it the hash and give us the word. So it's basically going down, or going backwards. Yeah, down. I don't know why the heck did I say down, but so leave a like if you like this video, and please go ahead and do subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you later, guys.